Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to number questions in Qualtrics. If you find this video interesting, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up your project or your survey inside of Qualtrics. Now from here you want to click on the survey tab and you're going to see your questions to the right here. Now to number them, basically they should be auto numbered like so. So I've got question 1, question 2, a new question, do multiple choice is going to be question 3, etc, etc. Now if it isn't doing that, what we can do is click onto tools and click on auto number questions. So it's got the option into update the export tag numbering all questions using sequential block or internal ID. Make sure you select sequential. Now below that we can also add a custom prefix and skip export tags that I've defined. So go ahead and click on apply, and then when you add questions they should be numbered like so. So question 1 all the way down to as many questions as you got.